everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
I've got two kitchen essentials that I think you'll love. They're a set of oil and dressing shaker by Eva Solo. This set is made with high quality glass and has a sleek Scandinavian design. I'm a big fan of its elegant yet minimalist look. I literally use this every day with cooking and my salads. I often need to refill my salad dressing, and the wide mouth opening makes it easy to refill. Plus, it's drip-free pouring, so you won't have to worry about messy countertops or tables. These are super versatile, allowing you to get creative with your flavors, putting some herbs in the oil or spices in the vinegar. I promise this set will not disappoint you. This high quality glass withstands hot and cold, preserves flavors, and has a unique, sleek design that I know you will love, and I highly, highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.